Volunteers Abby Banks, Don Rippion, Tom Duke, and Gail Duke have been conducting monthly bird surveys at Wildflower Preserve since December 2010. A survey involves walking the numerous trails and watching and listening for birds and bird activity. When a bird or group of birds are spotted or heard, identification is confirmed with a closer look, like sighting this blue-gray gnatcatcher. Information on what species was seen, along with numbers of individuals and type of habitat the birds were using and what they were doing, is noted. Tom Duke will then enter this information into the eBird databank at Cornell University. Some of the birds seen here include this anhingia and many others. The monthly eBird data collected on wildflower birds was used by Eva Ferner to compile this Wildflower Preserve bird checklist. The checklist shows habitat, frequency, and seasons of sighting of the 132 bird species recorded at the preserve through June 2014. Copies of the bird checklist are available at the entry kiosk and on the Lemon Bay Conservancy's website.